If you want to know how can you download ChatGPT on your Android phone, I have good news for you because the official app has just dropped to Android. So let's jump right into it and see how can you get it. First, go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT and open the one by OpenAI and go ahead and install the app just like that from there. Once you're done, go ahead and open the app, and it is better to continue with Google. It just has less bugs when you continue with Google. It will take you to your browsers. Choose the Google account that you wish to continue with. Just like that, wait for the app to set up for a couple of seconds. Of course, you have to have good connectivity, then tap on continue at the very bottom. From here, you can finally go ahead and use ChatGPT like you normally would from your browser, but it is more stable in the app. Of course, you can access more settings and more customizations by tapping right here in the top left corner. From here, tap on settings. Then scroll down and you can find a lot of options. You can even tap on your subscriptions and subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for more features. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well for future videos like this one. And thank you for watching.